I was a prosecutor for a number of years. And at that time, the drug courts in Missouri were just beginning. And St. Louis City had the second drug court in the state behind Jackson County. And our bench was looking for a drug court commissioner. A new statute had been created. And I applied for that position because I wanted to take a turn in my career that would lead me to the bench. And I was selected by the court en banc to be the very first drug court commissioner in the city of St. Louis. It was a very exciting time for those types of specialty courts. They were just beginning. And I was always proud to be on the forefront of that movement here in this circuit. I was able to develop the drug courts, the adult drug court, develop the drug court policies that we still have in place today, and set up the drug court team and be involved in a holistic approach. And it survives today. It's even stronger and it's different. But it has always been around and has had the support of this circuit. So I've always been very proud of my involvement in that court. And I have been dedicated to the family court here in the circuit. I spent a number of years in the family court division. In fact, I was one of very few judges who didn't mind going to family court. I tend to like those types of issues. Working with families, I had a lot of experience with that. So I've always been involved in the family court here. In my last 5 years on the bench, I've been assigned to juvenile court. And I think in juvenile court is where I've done some of my best work, because I was able to be involved in care and protection cases with families, and certainly juvenile delinquency issues that have been in the forefront of family law now for a number of years. So I'm very proud of that involvement, and I remain committed to family court issues, and certainly will continue to do so in my retirement here. I was one of those judges, I put my head down and I did the work. I'm a worker bee, and I've always tried to be humble and remain humble and remember who I am and where I came from. And I remember in my swearing-in ceremony as a judge, I said, "To whom much is given, much is required." It has never been lost on me, the grandeur of this job and the title. But I've also known that with that comes the responsibility to work as hard as you can, to know the law as well as you can, and to remain true to who you are and the people that you serve. So I just put my head down and I did the work. And I think for me, that's the best legacy that I could ever have.